morning. We're heading out to feed the animals. I've got a bunch of food from our kitchen that we're going to give the chickens, and everyone needs to have breakfast. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. 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 Good morning. There's our two baby goats. Oh, sneak in there. You guys get in, and then I'll sneak in. Good job. Good job. You guys. The dogs are checking out the food bucket, but it's for the chickens. So I gotta get the dogs in their feeding spot, and then once they're locked away, I can dump this out for the chickens. Let's go, Huck. There you go. Good girl. Oh, I'm sorry, chicken. This is me learning in real time that my toddler can climb the fence now. The goats get their breakfast of grains and pellets, and we also need to give them hay for the day. And also check for eggs. Just found more eggs, one there and one there too. I'm trying to put this bale in here, but there's a chicken and more eggs. Are you upset? You got, oh, another egg. Okay. All right. So the hay feeders are full now. They have the hay they need for the day. They have their breakfasts. And we gotta do the boy goats. Here they come. We tied. Good job, you guys. Okay. Watch out. Watch out. Move your faces. Oh. Oh no, Finn. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Feeding goats always cracks me up. They're so food obsessive. They just can't figure out, like, okay, if you wait 3 seconds, then you're gonna have food. Hey, babies. Hello. Hi, Ash. Good girl. Do you want an egg? Good girl. You forgot your egg. You forgot your egg. Good boy. We're letting Jahari out. Be free. This is why she gets fed separately. And the very, very last thing I do is collect eggs. How many are in here? 4 hens. Okay. Ah! Oh my gosh! You're aggressive. Okay, I gotta get a couple of you out. You need to come out first. Oh God! I don't think I've ever... Okay, I gotta get this one out with both hands. All right. Now I can get the eggs. She's so mad at me. Sorry. So we're done feeding the animals, and I gotta go grab my toddler. You can't see him from here, but he went over to the trees. And our property is like fully enclosed, so I'm not worried about him escaping anywhere. We'll give. Good job. Here's my other toddler.